Well, we're in Sedona now.
Oh yeah.
We're by a trail that a friend showed me. You'll see more in a bit. But it's about 1:36. We just drove about 6.5 hours to be here on the one day off. And we're gonna go try and find some treasure and some water after a few mile hike, a night hike. So let's get started. We're a couple of miles in right now. The stars are absolutely phenomenal. I saw 3 skunks so far. 1 frog that was not totally a frog and still somewhat of a tadpole, but it was the size of a frog, so that was neat. Almost got sprayed, and it's nice and cool out.
Yes. Just hanging out. Want to name it?
Dinner.
Okay. Bye, dinner. We
have made it in 2 hours. Previous hike time for this was 3 hours. It is 3:45 a.m. and we've just finished setting up camp, and we're getting up at 5:30 because this is a pretty popular spot for folks to come and hang out. It is a Monday, so hopefully there won't be too many people, but we want to get to work before folks start arriving. So I suppose we'll see you around dawn.
See you then.
I just don't understand the logic of humans. If you love a place, why treat it like this? But I brought you up here to show you a cool little cave. Guess who forgot a towel, among other things. It's okay, we're gonna use some community resources today. Oh, what? Bro. Look at this. It's glass. Wow. Alright. Just a little bit sandy. Thank you, universe. We also found these shoes yesterday. From vlogging.
Ooh, there's something over here. Arizona State.
Arizona State?
There's Sun Devils.
Not surprised. We've got a few pieces of gear today to go over before we hop in the water. The sun is finally over the horizon and we can actually see into the water right now. The first piece of equipment is the Pretzel Tika. This is my backup headlamp. It's rated to IPX6, I believe, so it's not the end of the world if it gets wet, probably. So we're gonna double bag it inside of these plastic bags, which are reused, by the way. And that's not just to keep it waterproof, but that's to have a little bit of air in there, not enough to have it float to the top, but atmospheric oxygen is very reflective underneath water. So if we do lose this on the bottom, it'll be very easy to spot if there's air inside of the bags. Not to mention that the headlamp will hopefully still be on. The next piece of equipment is a mesh bag. I don't know if we'll be using this, but if we do find a considerable amount of litter down there, we probably will. Just resting. And we've got NRS neoprene sakis. They're waterproof. We'll see how long that lasts. And flannel lined. So my little feet will get nice and warm in there. And then if I want to be a mermaid, I can always just clip my ankles together. And the final piece of equipment, we picked this up yesterday at Gearheads. Speedo goggles. They're not the best, but they're not the worst. They were quite a bargain for the price that we were charged. But it gets pretty dark down there. We're going down about 20-25 feet, and so it's important to have goggles to actually be able to see, as well as a light.
Is it freezing?
A bracelet.
Ah. Cheers. Wow, that's so disgusting. Ethan is using the pretzel lamp to look for stuff. This is an earring. Yeah, it's pretty. Finding a lot of jewelry. We found this, it's like a freshwater pearl or something, who knows? And a bracelet.
A sock, 2 band-aids, underwear, but nothing expensive.
Mermaid. What's that right there?
Those look like panties.
It sucks to see other people living your dream. Yo, what? Sunglasses. Show the treasure. Those look cool.
Nice.
Woohoo! I'm gonna put them on. Wow, these are so foggy.
Alrighty, we found some cool stuff today. The original reason that we came here was because when I was here over the summer with Evie, she actually hung off of that log over there. She locked her knees onto it like a mad woman and hung upside down. And we met some folks here that said that they lost Apple Watches in the water down there. And actually, while we were here, one person lost an Apple Watch. And then there was somebody else that was jumping off the diving board over there. And he walks up with his cell phone in his hand, starts recording a video, jumps in the water, comes up, his hand is still shaped like this, but now there's nothing in it. And then he looks at the water, and then at his hand, and then at the water, and he lost his phone. Long story short, we dove down, I saw a black thing at the bottom, flipped it over, and it was a cell phone screen still recording a video. So that guy got his cell phone back, and he told me later that he had just gotten it the day prior. So that's a win for him. So originally we came here to look for the Apple Watches. We unfortunately didn't find any today, but we did find some other cool stuff. We've got these sunglasses, and you can tell that they're polarized because they're opaque on the inside, and they smell like fish food. And then we found this cool little bracelet hair thing. And then also some earrings, a pair of Nikes, a Pyrex, a glass Pyrex, which is pretty cool, slash Tupperware, I guess. And an Arizona State shirt with the spray insulation and slash or melted marshmallow on the back. But it is September now, it's pretty chilly out here. The only reason I was able to stay in so long is because I had those neoprene socks, otherwise I surely would have frozen. I really enjoy doing this kind of stuff, and if you want to see us go underwater, perhaps with some filming equipment, some wetsuits, and maybe actually work a little harder, be able to stay in the water a little bit longer, perhaps find some cooler stuff. We also have a fishing magnet that we might be able to use if we reached a goal of, say, 15 likes or so on this video. That would be awesome, and that would definitely get us closer to making that video. It'll definitely come out just probably when it gets a little bit warmer, or perhaps in a state that's warmer, so stay tuned for that. But thank you for watching, stay hungry, and I will see you next time. We're gonna hike out now, so enjoy this footage. But I thought that boded well for us finding stuff, but it didn't. I think the most interesting thing to happen so far is these waterproof neoprene socks. So if you wanted to see that, they're definitely waterproof. Oh my! And there's your proof that there's water. We're gonna hike out now, so we'll show you some footage of that because we still got some battery and memory space, so we might as well show you this beautiful place near Sedona, Arizona. Stay hungry, and I'll see you next time. Let's try and get this video to 15 likes, and then we'll see if that happens. That was bad.
Come on, dude, you were so close.
It feels so weird like asking for likes.
Then don't.
I feel like that's a good tool to use, though.
I can do it.
It's okay.
If you want this video.